your hat.
Welcome to Tacky the Penguin. My name is Riley Pack. I am Lance, the head of the hunters, and a narrator. Mr. and Mrs. Walker wrote Tacky in 1994, before we were born. This rock opera is connected to open courts in